Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Edge 14 Neo and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box first. Let's check. Here we got also one more paper box. So we got here the charger, the original one Motorola charger brick with all of the specifications. Also we got here the USB Type-C cable, and let's check this paper box. So here we got the protective plastic case in black color, the SIM jack tool, and some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety guides, the warranty cards. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.